So we are starting with the solved example of running fix with two PLs, two position lines with current and wind. So 0800 we have first PL from the lighthouse 030. So this is 030. Then 0900 we have the second pairing 330. We have course to steer is not given and engine speed is 12 knots. Set is given 135 and rate is given 2 knots. Leeway is 3 degrees southerly wind. Course made good is 040. Speed made good we have to find out. We have to find the position at 80800 and 0900. Now we know that course, whenever we want to find course to steer and whenever course made good is given, it is counteracting method. Then second thing, we know that whenever we are doing counteracting method, first we apply the current on the initial position and then we apply the lever. So let's start with this method of running fix counteracting method. So we draw the initial PL030 at 80800, then second PL330 at 0900. We assume any point A on the first PL, and from here we draw the course. Course to steer we don't know, so we draw the course made good 040, and we draw the current from the initial point, which is given 135 into 2 knots, and we know that engine speed is 12 knots. So from here we will cut an arc of 12 miles because time difference is 1 hour, 8 and 9. So we cut an arc of 12 miles and we get a point which is called C. We join B and C, and this is our course to steer with wind. That is our leeway track because we have not applied the wind till now. Now when we are doing counteracting method, always we use the leeway into the wind. So wind is coming from south, southerly wind, leeway 3 degrees. So to counter this, we have to steer 3 degrees more south so that we steer this yellow line course. So suppose this yellow line course is 050. So we have to steer 053 so that we move on 050 line. That is, the wind will take us from 053 to 050. So our course to steer will be 053. So this red line is our course. Now we get this point C. Point C is our estimated position after 1 hour, that is 9 o'clock. So remember, always we have to transfer the initial position line on the estimated position, that is which will be the vessel position at 0900 if the vessel started from here. So C is our position. From C we will transfer the initial position line, that is 0800, and wherever it cuts the 0900 PL, that is our 0900 fix. And when always we transfer the course made good. So course made good, we transfer this AC, we transfer from 0900 back, and wherever it cuts the initial PL, that is our 0800 fix. So we observe this parallelogram. The more important thing is this green line. We have always transfer the course made good only.